This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Discover winter luxury at this 2024 built GHO Capistrano Grande in Summerplace. Turnkey, fully furnished 3-bedroom/3-bath home blends modern elegance with coastal charm. Open floor plan quartz kitchen with island, spa-inspired master suite, and private baths for each bedroom. Screen lanai to enjoy Florida's mild winter weather. Thoughtfully landscaped and tranquil patio space invites relaxation. Located minutes from pristine beaches, this home offers the perfect balance of leisure and convenience. Spend your winter season in style and comfort at 9530 Seagrape Drive, your ideal home away from home. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-30.